Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to connect Sony headphones to laptop. So guys, first thing that you will do is of course make sure your Sony headphones is turned on and open for connectivity. And once you have ensured that, just simply go to your laptop and just simply go to the start menu over here. And now from here, just simply go ahead and go to the settings or just simply search for it. And now, once you are here on the settings, just simply go to the devices over here. So click on devices. And now guys, make sure to turn on the Bluetooth on your laptop. And after that, just simply go ahead and click on add Bluetooth or other device. So click on over here. And now from here, as you can see, you should be able to see here this one Bluetooth. So go ahead and click on Bluetooth over here, guys. And now from here, you should be able to detect your Sony over here and you should be able to connect it. And once it is discoverable, it will show up. From there, guys, you should be able to just simply select it. And once you connect it, as you can see, you should be able to see something like this. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.